Hello everyone. Let's show how easily you can create a new job post with AI-ready templates and onboard the right candidate in easy.jobs. To get started, log in to your easy.jobs account and navigate to Jobs from the dashboard. Now, hit the Create a Job Post button and select a template. You can use ready-made job templates to make the hiring process more quickly and smoothly. Search a job template by choosing categories or providing keywords. Select the one you need. Job title, details and responsibilities will be filled instantly. Go through the newly added content and edit if necessary. On the other hand, you can create the job description with AI in easy.jobs. To do that, click the Create a Job with AI button and add prompt for job title, job details and job description. Then, hit the Generate button. Your job description will be generated instantly. Plus, you can modify the job description as necessary to suit your needs. Next, fill in the other details, such as vacancies, job type, expiry date, category, skills, employment type, salary, office time and more. Once done, hit the Save and Continue button. Now, on the Screening Question tab, set a question set, add relevant questions, then tap the Save and Continue button. On the Quiz tab, select a quiz question set duration and marks and add more questions as necessary. Once done, hit the Save and Publish button. A pop-up of the Custom Job Apply field will appear. Toggle on the buttons for options you want to show and make required from the applicants. Once done, hit the Save and Publish button. A confirmation message will appear. Hit the Yes button to publish the job. Your job will be published instantly. Now, click the View Company page to explore your newly created job. Candidates can now visit your newly created job post. They can apply for this position by clicking the Apply Now button. Here's how easily you can create a job post in easy.jobs with AI and ready templates. Did you find the tutorial useful? Comment below. Hit the like button and subscribe for more resourceful videos like this.